Now I'm going to show you how to wash a human hair wig. We always hold the wig from underneath the part. We're rinsing it with lukewarm water. Wet the entire wig. Make sure it's completely wet. Then we're going to take a little bit of shampoo after we wet it completely. Rub it in your hands together. Distribute it equally over the wig. The water will carry the product through the piece as you're squeezing it, so it will be clean. So wash it the way you would wash a delicate garment. Squeeze gently. Hold it from the top again, and then we're going to rinse it completely until the water runs clear. So rinse thoroughly. You're holding it from the part. It will stay in. If the part moves, it's not a problem because you can part a human hair wig on the right, left, middle, any way you like. So we'll rinse it thoroughly. You can see the water running clearer and clearer. So now we're going to take a small bit of conditioner, rub it in your hands, and then evenly distribute it through the wig. They never sit in conditioner, especially blonde wigs. We're going to rinse it thoroughly with lukewarm water. Holding it again from the inside. Rinse it completely. Until the water runs clear. And then we're going to put it in a towel. That looks really clean. Now we're going to take and put it in a towel and take some of the extra moisture out by squeezing lightly. You can use any hot tool for finish work. I would let it dry by itself overnight. The base takes longer to dry than the hair, so you would be blow drying forever. We're going to comb it out completely. Don't be afraid of it. They're really well made. You won't hurt it. Now we're going to put it on a head. Make sure that if it's lace front or not lace front, that it's not bent under the front, in the front hairline. And then pull the back down. The sides will be equal. With the human hair, you can comb it so that it's smoother by beveling it with your fingers like this, and it will be smoother. Or, if you like and prefer, you can scrunch it and you'll get a beachier look. Then just let it dry like that. And you're good.